Ordering of numbers. Numbers can be arranged in two ways, that is, ascending order and descending order. Ascending order, when numbers are arranged in the order from the smallest to the greatest, the order is known as the ascending order. For example, in 1498 less than 4967 less than 5896 less than 8741, the numbers are arranged from the smallest to the greatest. So this is the ascending order of the given numbers. This is also called the increasing order of numbers. Descending order. When numbers are arranged in the order from the greatest to the smallest, the order is known as the descending order. For example, in 8536 greater than 7089 greater than 5335 greater than 4497, the numbers are arranged from the greatest to the smallest. So this is the descending order of the given numbers. This is also called the decreasing order of numbers.